Tonight at the Artesia Fairgrounds, witness Midnight Madness Summer Style as Dean Thompson drives the juggernaut, Trychnophobia, into the history books. In studies of lipid products in general, the following immediate reactions have been noted. Hyperlipemia, dyspnea, cyanosis, flushing, dizziness, headache, sleepiness, nausea, vomiting, hyperthermia, sweating, chest and back pain, thrombocytopenia, hypercoagulability, and transient increases in liver enzymes. Hi. I'm not sure I'm in the right place.
Do you smell sulfur?
Yeah, I do.
Well, you're in the right place.
That's why Elongaprene is administered once a month at any of our 12 downtown locations. Just drop by on your way home from the gym and be on your way in time for that dinner date. Say hello to Elongaprene. Say goodbye to ED.
It is true. Today I am filled with ennui. My fire, she will not come. Run, fair princess, while the beast is distracted by ennui. I will protect you.
Born in Brooklyn, New York, Ken Burns went on to graduate from Pioneer High School in Ann Arbor, Michigan.
When it comes to acne, you might say that my face is ground zero for the ultimate oil and cleanliness cage match. Just when I thought I was down for the count, Dr. Fritz Fanuel tapped in and took it to the mat. Look at it. Soon, all of this will be ours.
All of it?
Yes, all of it.
I don't want all of it.
What do you mean you don't want all of it? That's the deal. That's what we do.
Last summer, the end was nigh. This June, the end has begun.